Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial, we'll be creating a fun hollow center Easter cake. I'm going to call it hollow center because it's like all indented and stuff. You're going to need a 6-inch cake cut in half. The first half you're going to plant on your cake board and cover with a crumb coat, leaving the top section a little bit thicker though, because that's going to act as a frosting layer for your cake. Bring that lip towards the middle. Then take a 4-inch that's been cut in half, place it right in the middle, fill in like usual, and then plant the second half of your 4-inch on top. Make sure it's centered, press in any sections of buttercream that are sort of spilling out from the middle, and then create a crumb coat with the most used color for your little decoration. So I'm making rosettes using a 32 piping tip, and this dark turquoise or medium color turquoise is going to be the main feature. And you'll want it to be the same color as your decorations, that if you see through, you're going to see to turquoise anyway, and so you're not really going to be able to notice any spaces between your pattern. I'm just creating rosettes randomly in the middle and the top. Try to keep them spaced apart so you can fill in with a secondary color, make it look a little bit more dynamic. Add little star dollops as well. I've taken a lighter turquoise and I'm filling in the spaces. For an extra pop of color, I've taken the 1B tip and some pink and just filling in any little pockets here and there. Take the second half of a 6-inch and then create a frosting layer at the very top. You want to then grab this cake and then flip it upside down and plant it to your 4-inch. So there's a bit of a process here to create this kind of cake, but it's pretty easy. You want to crumb coat it as well and then refrigerate the whole thing so that the crumb coat firms up nicely and your cake doesn't move around when you apply your final layer of frosting. I've chosen yellow for the outside and I'm creating a final layer at the top and at the bottom as well. The more frosting you add, the greater that fault line is going to look, so the more it'll expand to cover your middle section. So don't add too much if you want more of it revealed. Grab your smoother and smooth it out, fill in any pockets as you go, and then when you're happy, bring that lip of frosting to the middle. You could leave it as is, or you could decorate the edges of your fault line. I just left it plain. And then I went in with candy coated chocolates in white. With the same 32 piping tip, I'm creating little little rosette dollops, I should say, at the top, and pushing in some tiny Easter eggs. You could also fill in the spaces in between the dollops with more eggs as well, or you could go in with the same little white pearls that you used for the middle. If you're enjoying these tutorials, feel free to subscribe. We do upload a new video every week. I also added some towards the bottom as well. And that's it. Your hollow / fault line Easter cake is complete. I hope you're inspired to give it a go, and if you do, send me your photos. I would love to see them. #Rosie's Dessert Spot. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you again in the next one.